My name is Dr. Sofra. I would like to speak about how we can solve the visceral fat problem that cannot be reduced with lasers or radiofrequency or any other procedure. There is a technology that was originally invented in London University that decreases visceral fat. The percentage of the fat decrease was 30.34. We also have some MRI reports from earlier studies where we can see a significant difference. This is 2 treatments. This is another example from the Middle East. This is a study on detoxification. You can see the swollen knee here and how immediately the knee has significantly improved. And that toxicity interferes with hormonal balance and basically makes you more hungry because some of these hormones are appetite hormones. Treatment before and after. This lady had liposuction and also lasers, and all the weight went into her back. Within 1 treatment, we were able to see a very good difference. 1 treatment, 3 treatments, and 1 treatment. You can see the muscle mass is starting developing here. What we have here is virtual exercise, but without the exercise. And it's 144 virtual exercise, 1,000 times, and each one has 8 seconds contraction. Earlier publications from Fat to Flat and effortless exercise, how the waist was won. ABC, Channel 15, Fox News in the United States, they were very impressed. You can see like in 1 treatment, like 3 inches